Good morning, beautiful Sunday morning, 69 degrees, crazy Gatsby. We are gonna go off and walk with Jack. And yes, this morning, that was the Brady Bunch house where they originally had filmed the exterior. The rest of it was all on a soundstage on Paramount lot, and I have from firsthand experience that, yeah, the stairs just went up to a little platform. There was nothing there. All of the upstairs, quote unquote, bedrooms were on one level. Another funny thing about the, about the Brady Bunch house is when I used to work in Hollywood, I'm get off the 101, I'm driving down Tujunga and I'm going, wait a second, I used to take this route all the time. I had no idea I drove by the house. Because sometimes Waze would, if traffic was really bad, I had to get to Hollywood, get off there and take a little route up and over. Oh man, I do not miss having to take a 45 to hour long commute. Sometimes even longer. Sometimes if I had to go by the Hollywood Bowl, it could take 20 minutes just to get around. I do not miss that. So I still do a lot of driving, but yeah, it's on my terms, I guess. All right, buddy, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go walk with Jack. I've got so much pet sitting today. So I'm gonna tell you guys that I appreciate you watching. And as always, see you on the next one.